Hey guys, last one in the notes packet, so get excited. We're going to go over some just good reminders about how to distribute and then showing our steps when solving equations. Okay, so for our word problem today, it says the cooking club is selling cookies as a fundraiser. In order to make the cookies, so this is an expense, they're spending this money. They paid $20 for the pan. That is a one-time thing, so notice there is no letter here in my equation. Plus an additional $2 per dozen. So that's what I don't know. Did I sell 1 dozen, 2 dozen, 3 dozen cookies? I'm not sure, so I go ahead and give myself a letter. So it's a $20 one-time fee plus 2 for every dozen. They're also planning on selling the cookies for $5 per every dozen. So this, remember, is my income. I'm bringing in $5 per cookie, and then these are my expenses. So it says below is the equation used to calculate for the profit P for cookies sold. Use the equation to determine how many dozens of cookies it needs to sell to make a $100 profit. So what they just told me is my P. I want to make $100, and then I need to simplify this first before I go about solving. So I have $5 per cookie. I can leave that alone, but just a reminder that this is a minus sign outside my parentheses. So it's really like taking a minus 1 times both things in here. I have minus $20 for my one-time fee for the pans, and I have minus 2 per cookie for the flour and the sugar and those other things that go into making it. Before I go ahead and solve, I also need to combine like terms. So $5 per cookies that I'm selling them to you for, but it costs me $2 to make them. I can combine my B with my B for a profit of $3 per every dozen, but I still have my minus $20 for the pans. So now we can solve our two-step equation. I want to get rid of my $20 initial fee. So in order to make $100, I need to have sold $120 worth of my cookies. That's no longer there, so I don't need to write down a plus 0. I do need to bring down though my $3 per dozen. And then if it's 3 for each one, I can do my $120 divided by 3. And I know I need to sell a lot of cookies. I need 40 dozen cookies. I would go ahead and do my check step over here to the side on the test just to make sure. So if I sold 40 dozen cookies, when I put in that 40 there, I'm going to copy other things down. I also need to put in 40 as well there for my B. I end up with 5 times 40. I made $200 by selling the cookies, but I lost $20 for the pans, and 2 times 40, I lost $80 in order for my supplies. So 200 minus, I'm going to keep simplifying inside my parentheses, $100 worth of my expenses leaves me with my profit at the end of $100. So I know that my equation works. So just be very careful. Today, 11 homework, the last one, make sure that that minus sign gets distributed to every term inside of your expenses, and make sure you combine like terms before you start subtracting from both sides. Good luck, guys, on the test tomorrow.